Konje umuntu uke wa-invite as a guest ku-Big Brother Mzansi. Ngalala kule yandlu ndoda nabantu engingabacavi, but it was too nice. So ithe mayiphela uLiema wawina i-2 million rand nopelepele ndoda. Bangilethela iprize yami nge-FNK dinengiyara mangivula ngagijimela i-check iqala. Mangithi 5,000 rand. Thank you Lotto Star. Ngathi bathi angisize sikhiphe le box. Bathi uthe makalikhipha wathi awuthi sishuthe nalo ngathi hayi baba ngifuna ukuya endlini ngiyo-check ukuthi yini phakathi. Thema ngene endlini ngahlanyiswa ile 5,000 VA ngathi awuthi ngiyovula le box ngibone ukuthi yini le phakathi. I was super excited ukuthi ke out of everyone ngiwinile because of ama game challenges bewadlala lapha. Ngathi awuthi ngicheck kunani thema ngithi kune case yaka Robertsons mangivula phakathi inama Brying what ngabonga kakhulu ku Robertsons mangichecka Chillers Punch Danky McG ntwana yami Marlene alcohol angiphuzi mosmina but ke I'll keep it for my guest la endlini mangichecka VA hebana na ikhula box from Robertsons yet again Danky san ngithi ngiyofudu wangibona ukuthi khonani VA ngithe mangichecka la ngabona ukuthi hebana ifridge le from iShwebs iyaplugwa le fridge from iShwebs ifake 6 pack yamakhena amancane. Thank you very much mangithi baphethe le cooler box yo detail phezulu ke ile hamba mahamba namasesteri. Danke Shwebs, these are all the prizes. Thank you very much to Big Brother for giving me all these prizes. A huge shout out to DSTV Mzansi Magic, Big Brother Mzansi bazozwa. Shout out to Lotto Star nge 5,000 from the award-winning comedian. Yeah, Big Brother nge 30 May ngine show e Gold Reef City. Othenga itikiti la. Danko.